In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine videos in ClipChamp. First, open ClipChamp in your web browser and sign in to your account. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one so your project ends up in the correct place. Once you're in, you can either create a brand new video or open an existing project where you want to combine your clips. Creating a new project is great if you want a clean slate. Give it a clear name so you can find it later and keep everything organized. Next, bring your footage into ClipChamp. Click Import Media and select all the video files you plan to combine. You can upload them together to save time. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop files from your computer straight into the media library. Wait for the uploads to finish so you don't run into missing or partially loaded clips when you start editing. Now add your videos to the timeline. Drag each clip from the media library down into the timeline and place them one after another on the same video track. This is the core idea of combining in ClipChamp. When clips are back to back with no gaps, they'll play continuously as a single video. If you see small spaces between clips, zoom in on the timeline and close those gaps to avoid unintended black frames. If you want to change the sequence, simply click and drag a clip left or right to reorder it. You'll notice snapping helps align clips neatly. This makes it easier to get seamless joins. Use the zoom controls on the timeline for more precise placement. To polish your combined video, you can trim and split clips. Trim by grabbing the ends of a clip and dragging inward to remove unwanted starts or endings. To cut out a section in the middle, move the playhead to the exact spot and use split, then delete the part you don't need. This keeps your story tight without adding extra steps. You can also add simple transitions between clips. Click the cut between two clips and choose a transition style like fade, slide, or zoom. Keep them short and consistent so they enhance the flow rather than distract from it. When you're ready, preview everything by pressing play. Watch for pacing, check that there are no abrupt jumps, and confirm your clips blend well. If anything feels off, adjust trims, transitions, or order. Finally, export your combined video. Click Export, choose a resolution. 1080p is a solid choice for most uses, and let ClipChamp render the file. When it's done, download your final video, and you're set.